Hello, yeah, I've just purchased this GoPro 12 Black creator kit, and there goes the cat, and we've got a couple of other little goodies as well, memory card, and the Enduro battery and charger there as well, and got this clip here as well. So this is the GoPro 12 Creator Edition. I did have the GoPro 10 Black, and I was impressed with the quality of it, but it would overheat a lot. So we're going to try the GoPro Enduro batteries, and they have changed a few things. I do apologise, the gimbal I've packed up, and I'm using the old one just to make this because I've just purchased this today. So we're just going to pop that on pause again. Alright, so I've just opened it up. We won't worry too much about this care stuff yeah, at the moment. Just interested to see what's in here. I was just going to get the unit by itself and buy the mod kit and everything, but I thought, oh well, we may as well grab this. You know, it's got this flash. I wasn't too interested in this, but I reckon we could do like a couple of tests. So here's like the mod case as well. Okay, yeah, because I've got a Rode wireless, so hopefully I haven't stitched myself. Here we go. Yeah, it's exactly pretty much the same as the one I had before the mod case. It was obviously a different brand, but this one here, I should be able to use this with the Rode wireless. Okay, that's where the mod kit, because with this one, actually, we'll just put that to the side there. Now with this one, it actually has a remote on this, so okay, so hopefully this one, okay, just for peace of mind. Okay, so hopefully we'll pop this on pause. Okay, we're back. I was just testing just to see, because I do have a Rode wireless. I normally plug into the USB-C socket there. We just got the cat playing with a particle off the box, so I'm hoping I can use the there we go. We can use the Rode wireless. Professional here, aren't we? Yes. So I'm hoping I can do my Rode wireless through there. I do have a cable for that, so we'll soon find out when we do a test anyway. So we'll pop this back on port. Actually, while we're here, we'll just quickly show what's in the box. Alright, professional here, Jeremiah Esquire. What you see is what you get. So yeah, we won't peel off this at the moment. You know, but that's the GoPro 12. We'll just pop this over here. It's got like a few little attachments, and you got like a clip, or actually, sorry, the gimbal. So we've got some other little attachments in here. Obviously the plug, and there's the cat. Yeah, he was just playing with that piece of cardboard there. So we won't put that there because the cat will get that. So you've got some cables here, USB-C to USB, and this would be USB-C to. So, oh yeah, and there's the windsock as well. Yeah, that's not much chop, that one, going by the last mod one. Garfield, get out of the way, boy. Yeah, I don't know what's in there. I should really pause it, but you know, we're not professional here, guys. You know, point shoot. Yeah, that's a clip in there. I'm intrigued. Garfield, get off there. Yeah, I bet that's like some clip. Yeah. Oh. Garfield. Yeah, he's jumped into the bag. So there's all different clips. Like, I know there's something in there. Right, yeah, excellent. See, how's that for comedy? Nothing was in there, but we will grab this clip. But yeah, what else did we get in the box? We got like a memory card as well, 256. I still have a 128, I think, but it's better to have a spare as well. And that's it. Check out some vlogs upcoming on my next adventures. Hit the likes. Subscribe if you like.